Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video I'm going to play with the guitar effects of the SP-808. I will use my DX-100 for the sounds, as I don't play the guitar, I don't have one, but we will dive into the machine, the SP-808, to check it out if it's something. So, let's go! This is the Roland SP-808 Groove Sampler and today I'm going to play with the guitar effects of this machine. So, we go to FX. And then we search for the guitar effects. In this GT means guitar. So, okay, yes. First important, I have connected the DX-100, and the DX-100 I've connected only on to the left input, and the sound of the DX-100 is the following. So you hear it only on one channel. So, okay. Now we turn on the real-time effects. So it's now on both speakers, it's on left and right. And now I can play with the knobs. The original sound. The real-time effect, the guitar effect. So, quite a difference, right? We do the next one, LA lead. Now without effect. So the effect is amazing. In my opinion, this is amazing. This crappy sound from the DX-100, which is a crappy sound because it's a preset, but with the effect. Or a bit lower. There are several effects. Metal lead. This is cool. This is amazing. This is also with a metal jet. Now the original sound. This is has nothing to do with the rock sound. Brooklyn! Well, you know that song. Cool. Well, let's dive into the menu of the guitar effects. So we go to Shift, FX Edit. Then we see here several effects. So compressor, wah, drive, simulator, and as not sure yet, but we will find it out. Delay and chorus flanger. So you see here the black squares. This means that they're connected. So sound comes in, sound comes out, and those ones are connected. How to connect or unconnect? Well, very easy. Just turning the dial. Now we don't have chorus, now we don't have delay. No drive, nothing. So this is the sound dry. Add drive. Speaker simulator. Now I want to find out what this is. Is the noise suppressor correct? So the delay, chorus, wah. Okay, let's turn this one down, the drive, and we go to, well, okay, take a look at the wah. So we see filter type, LPF. You hear the difference. Polarity, up or down, the rate, cool. So we go to drive now, and you see type, metal, DS, it's overdrive, and this is the distortion. You can adjust the tone. The original sound. So, simulator, there are several simulators, amplificador, what's the English word for, well, we let's call it amp, an amp simulator. So small amp, built-in amp, 2-stack, 3-stack. And all makes difference. Noise suppressor, the threshold, the delay again, mono or stereo. You can choose tempo sync or just a fixed tempo. Tempo sync has always to do with the BPM of the machine itself. Effects level. Okay, so you can adjust a lot of parameters of this guitar effect. Also important, my opinion, is the controls. You can decide which knob needs to control which parameter. So in this case, C1 is drive on gain, drive on level, delay on FX level. You can change all those parameters over here. So for example, if we do the, let's see, the drive type. So we have the metal, the overdrive, and the distortion. Or the gain. So you can decide which parameter you want to control with these knobs. Also, for example, the important C2, we can go to the right, and here you can choose the amount. So you can say, for example, well, I like to add resonance or to open up the delay, but till a certain level. So you say, well, not to 100, but only to 50%. So now this turn is only 50% instead of 100%. Also, you can say, well, let's start at 50% and let's end on 100. So these parameters are also controllable. So this is it. just a small explanation about the guitar effects of the SP-808. Okay guys, thank you. See you next time. Thank you for watching.